The speckled mousebirds are feasting here on these berries. The mousebirds are feasting on the berries, as you can see there. Quite a lot of berries. More speckled mousebirds arriving there. See, the berries are scattered all over on the ground from the tree. See, the tree is very colorful here with berries, red and yellow berries, as you can see there. And this tree has attracted a variety of bird species here. So I'm here to find out what kind of bird species are attracted to these berries. So join me as we watch these birds. Speckled mousebirds are some of the birds that have been attracted by these colorful and juicy berries. Using their there is plenty of food for the mousebirds here, as you can see there. Very fleshy and juicy berries. African Citril, you can see there. It's very busy feeding on the juicy berries. This is the African Citril is a small seed-eating bird. It is found in a variety of habitats, being forest edges, on marshes, scrub, and even in woodlands. A male African Citril, you can see the black face mask there. It's very busy feeding on that berry there. See, underneath the African Citril is yellow. The males are very yellow with black face mask, as you can see there. The female of the birds that have been attracted by these berries. Streaky Seedeater feeding on the berries is one of them there. This white-eyed slaty flycatcher does not feed on berries. Its main diet is mainly insects. But surprisingly, it's in this tree which is full of colorful berries. Very interesting. To conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to my channel And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.